Hi, this is Judy from handcraftedgreetings.com. Earlier this year, I got a Cameo, and so I started playing around with Silhouette Studio. I'd like to share some of the things I've learned so far. This is the first in what I hope will be a series of quick tip videos. I'm sure you're busy and want to get back to crafting, so let's get started. I love digital stamp sets, but sometimes I want to print more than just one of each element in a set. This set, for example, needs 3 more of "you are," so I have one for each phrase. Since this set is in JPEG format, I can use the free Silhouette Studio Standard Edition to create duplicates of the words I need. Here's how. First, you'll need to import the file. You can either use the browse icon and browse to your folder, or if you have a folder already open, as I do, you can just drag and drop the file onto the canvas. Now that I have my file imported, I need to use Pixel Trace to detach the element. Click the Pixel Trace icon, select Trace Area, and trace the element that you want to duplicate. Make sure that Solid Fill is selected and change your threshold. I usually, for JPEGs, I'll put this all the way up at 100%. Now, click Trace and Detach. This may take a few seconds depending on your computer. You'll know it's done when the gray box goes away. Once that's done, drag the rest of your project off of your workspace. Now, each of these words are separated. So I could, for instance, grab this R and drag it. And if your letters aren't touching, they'll be separate as well. So I'm going to need to group these together. First, make sure that your selector is active. Then just drag a rectangle around your letters, right-click, and select Group. Now your words are grouped together, and you can duplicate them. Use the duplicate icon. So I need 3 more. Now I want to add them back onto my page. So I'm going to drag my page back over to the workspace and spread these out. And I want to move that one up a little bit. You'll see this gray area. This is the hole that you just cut in the paper. It won't print, and you'll see that when you send it to the printer. So now that that's all done, we're ready to print. And you can see from the print preview that that hole is gone. And that's all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you would like to see more tips like this, please let me know in the comments below.